दिवसीय जीएफएक्स शिखर सम्मेलन का आयोजित किया गया। इस शिखर सम्मेलन के दूसरे दिन एनिमेशन, विजुअल इफेक्ट्स, गेमिंग, कॉमिक्स और एक्सटेंडेड रियलिटी क्षेत्रों पर केंद्रित सत्र आयोजित किए गए। कार्यक्रम में प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ छात्रों ने हिस्सा लिया। जीएफएक्स शिखर सम्मेलन के प्रदर्शनी क्षेत्र में विभिन्न एनिमेशन और ग्राफिक डिजाइन संगठनों के साथ ही इन क्षेत्रों में प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करने वाले संस्थानों के 56 स्टॉल शामिल हैं। इसके अलावा 12 स्टार्टअप कियोस्क अपने नवाचारों को प्रदर्शित कर रहे हैं। पूरे दिन में कुल 9 सत्र आयोजित किए गए, जिसमें भारतीय आईपी बनाने में वैश्विक सहयोग, मीडिया और मनोरंजन में एआई, गेमिंग में महिलाएं, अगली पीढ़ी को सशक्त बनाना, गेम डेवलपमेंट पाइपलाइन और भारतीय गेम उद्योग को बढ़ाना जैसे प्रमुख विषय शामिल थे।
In Comics Creator Championship, we have given opportunity to young artists as well as professional artists to make their comics and submit their entries. And now we have selected 75 finalists, 75 semi-finalists, and they will compete at Waves. 10 finalists will be selected. They will come to Waves and compete there for the grand prizes. And we are doing many workshop, speaker series, panel series for comic publishers, comic readers, comic fans. So it will be all there at Waves 1st to 4th of May.
Waves is a wonderful platform for creators like us. I have been shortlisted for the semi-finalists, and our project Namuru, it's a dream project of our company, has been selected, and we are feeling so proud of it. And Waves has given the masterclass that they have conducted, has helped us scale up all these IPs that we are doing. And I'm very excited and thrilled to be there at Waves that is conducted on May 1st to 4th. So looking forward to meet other creators as well.
Waves 2025, that is World Audio Visual Entertainment Summit 2025, is happening between May 1st to 4th in Mumbai. I urge you to check out the website and also register for Waves as a participant. And in Waves Bazaar, there is an opportunity for the people in AVGC sector to register as a buyer or seller. Waves Bazaar is a e-marketplace where you can network and meet the people of the industry and make the best use of this opportunity. And there is also CIC Challenge, which is Create in India Challenge, which is mainly focused at creative people, youth of India, and especially the students. So I urge you to check out the Create in India Challenge and participate in great numbers for that.